Hi. Welcome to our channel. Today I will share information on Facebook marketing. Facebook overview. Facebook is a powerful social media platform through which your business can reach up to 1 billion. Watch the video till the end to unravel the latest updates to stay ahead in business. Who should use Facebook? Irrespective of size of business, you can leverage Facebook. Key benefits that sweetly compels you to use Facebook for business is as follows. Facebook and WhatsApp. Now your customer can have chat with you through WhatsApp just by clicking the WhatsApp icon of you. Facebook Messenger in your website. Now customers can chat with you in Messenger without going out of your site itself. Thanks Facebook. Do you have an e-commerce site? If your answer is no, then Facebook helps you in creating your e-store, which is equally impressive. Facebook and Mailchimp. If you have a Mailchimp account, then you can connect it to Facebook Advert and create your list. Dynamic language optimization. If you have your customer base across the world, now Facebook supports 6 languages through its ad. Facebook Analytics. With this tool, the entire sales funnel of your business and customer behavior can be easily gauged. Facebook Advert. Each advert's assets can be customized based on their placements in Instagram, Newsfeed, Facebook. Facebook page. A business page helps you to connect the customer with your brand. Wonderful features. You must try. Conclusion. If you wish to grow business in social media, Facebook is the answer. Highly recommended. Try it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Should you need any further info, comment us. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. You have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.